Moving in, lops out punch, gonsai, check and punch, lops out side palm, check and palm. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our parallel hand Chisao collection utilizing an inside lop sao. But before we do that, I need you to go over the buttons, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you for your support and have a great day.
Level 5.1 parallel hand Chisao. The first technique we're going to do is an inside lop sao. Moving in, I want to slide this in and apply forward pressure and work toward his elbow. I'm going to slide down, I'm going to lops out the elbow to open him and punch. He's going to pox out. I'm going to utilize the force from his pox out as he pushes me across. I'm going to move outside by gonsaiing at his wrist, check the elbow, fire another punch. He's going to pox out again. From here, I'm going to take my checking hand, lops out across, side palm, check and palm. Moving in, lops out punch, gonsai. Check and punch, lops out side palm, check and palm. One more time, lop and punch, come across, hawk, lop, and check. So let's just take one moment so you get to understand where would this come from. So we line up parallel from here. He has one or two options. He can punch inside my guard or move outside my guard. So here by covering my center, he tries shooting that jab across my arm, okay? So that come in, I would step in and lop from here. Okay, so one more time. Stepping through, lop and punch. He hawks, come over the top, check, and flow to. Remember that each time though, make sure you're always looking at that opposite hand. So if here, once I lop from here, if he fires this hand, I might have to interrupt. Now you notice how he pocked? I'm just gonna utilize that. He gives me that force, move over the top, check and punch, and we're right back where we started from. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun Noir for many years to come.